Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to upload a video on YouTube. Simply guys, if you have a video and you want to upload to your channel on YouTube, simply go to Google browser. As you can see, sign in with your Gmail account. It's my Gmail account, as you can see. Okay, click in the right corner, up right corner, your channel. Okay, here guys, as you can see in the top, create a video or post. Click here and click upload video. Wait a moment. Okay, some window appear. Drag and drop a file you want to upload here, or select a file. Select a file. I want to upload this file, video 1. Double click. The video now will be uploaded. Okay, type a name, for example ABC. Okay, type some description here. Okay, and you can also add some tags. That's it guys. When you finish, click next. Okay, no, it's made for kids, it's not made for kids. Okay, next, next, public, publish. Close. Okay, next, done. Okay, as you can see guys, 95% processed. Wait a moment to upload this video. Okay, it's done. Now my video was uploaded. That's it. As you can see here, click your channel. You can see here your uploaded video. That's it, ABC video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.